How to get this flashing background filter on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So let's just go to our TikTok app and show you how to get it. So right here, as you can see, I am on my profile on TikTok, and if you want to find that filter, you have to go to the search bar to discover right next to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and then here you have to write flashing background. So once you did that, you have to click on the filter, and if you want to use this filter, you can either add this to favorite, and then it will show up at favorites when you hit the plus icon, or you can just click right here on try this effect, and if you just tap on the background, it will switch just like this. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.